So this is the TikTok video that a lot of people have been asking for on my Instagram. And now, fair warning, if I have any family about to watch this video, leave. Get the fuck off my page, please. So the first thing I want to do is give you an explanation. If you look up the NSSM 200 document, and it's outlining the population control agenda on .gov. This is a real document. There is a subcategory called the fertility control agenda. Something like that. It's like the fertility something. Now, in that sidestep for women, your periods are not supposed to last more than 3 days, and they're not supposed to be painful. And if they are, something is severely going wrong inside you. Now, also, when it comes to your boob size, that is also shrunk because of the foods that we're eating. And for men, it's the same concept. If you were eating things with high fructose corn syrup, fruit punch, those types of juices shrink your libido, shrink your sperm count, and also make your manhood smaller. And it says that in the document, that it doesn't say that it shrinks your package, but it affects your levels, your testosterone, estrogen levels. And with that imbalance will affect the size of a woman's breasts as well as a man's manhood. So now, I promise you, this is the absolute truth. As a man, you can add an entire inch. And I can't just be on here and be like, well, here's a before and after. But I promise you, I will not steer you wrong. And if you do this for 3 months, you will see a substantial difference, like mind-boggling. So you want minerals, but you need to stop eating unnatural foods. It's honestly the same, like, this diet is a jack of all trades, and once you start, you will see it for yourself. So what you're going to need is minerals. Now, this is the company I go through. You can go get these supplements anywhere, but this is my most trusted source. The link is in the bio. The first thing you want to do is get the Testo support. You can pause to read what's in it. The next thing you want to get is the Alkaline Tea. Now, as much as I would want to have someone to tell you, I'm not joking when I say this. I have a female friend who has seen her boobs get slightly bigger since she started doing what I'm doing, and more importantly, I've had a female friend who I was engaging with for a while, be dafted. Fuck, it's so weird to even talk about this shit, but I'm saying that they could tell dramatically, and even I was shocked. But more specifically, to dial in what you're gonna do is in part 2.